Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing good. So before I start, I wish you all a very happy and prosperous Eid. And in today's video, I am going to show you how to make an easy moonlight painting by following some easy tips and methods. Now let's get started. So for this we need a canvas, acrylic colors, flat brush, a toothbrush and a scissor. So first of all, let's make a moonlight scene which we want on our canvas. And for this I am using my drawing paper. And after this, just cut out the moon and paint the background with a black color. Now place the drawing sheet on the canvas and spray the white paint on the moon with the help of a toothbrush. After this, I just cut out rest of the things and place it on the canvas. Now take some turquoise paint and add white into it and then start spraying the paint like this. In last, just add some stars using white color. And it's ready! Trust me guys, it is super easy and I enjoyed a lot while painting this. So I hope you have fun watching this video. If you like it, then please give a thumbs up. Also don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you are watching my video first time. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Till then, bye. Take care.